you cannot do that up here anymore.
Okay.
It's no longer allowed. You got buddies that are into this, make sure you tell them there's no drifting, there's no testing, there's no nothing, there's no dirt bikes, there's no ATVs. If you come up here with a Jeep or a four-wheel drive and I catch you driving on the trails, it's just as bad.
Okay.
We're eliminating all of that. So
Okay.
I would just share that with them.
Okay.
So consider this my gift for 4th of July to you.
Sounds good to me.
All right. Thank you.
I appreciate it, boss man.
You got it.